Have you ever seen a leopard frog? I found one in my flower beds the other day. I saw him catch and eat a cicada. Then it got me to thinking how nice it is to have him in my garden. He most likely enjoys eating other bugs, such as grasshoppers, which can do serious damage to your plants. So I followed him to find out where he's been living. It appears he's been snuggled deep inside the yarrow plants, trying to stay cool from the heat. So I gave him the name Leo. Then I went on a mission to make him a little house. I split a terracotta pot. I hope he enjoys this and finds cool shelter in the hot summer days ahead.